Do you ever feel like your muscles are getting weaker? Does it take more effort to get out of bed? Or do you tire icily after a short walk? Does your body feel unsteady, especially when you're on your feet for a while? These aren't just signs of normal aging. This could be sarcopenia, a condition that leads to a gradual loss of muscle mass. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive pills or fancy treatments to help reverse muscle loss. There are simple, affordable foods that can make a huge difference. If you're trying to stay active or eat healthily, but feel like your muscles just aren't responding the way they used to, it might be due to certain nutrients your muscles are lacking. Today, I'm going to share 5 foods that can help restore muscle strength, fight sarcopenia, and bring back your confidence and movement. 1. Cottage cheese. Your simple, muscle-building friend. Many of us grew up eating cottage cheese. But did you know it's one of the best foods for maintaining muscle health as we age? Cottage cheese isn't just a snack, it's packed with casein protein, which your body digests slowly, delivering nutrients to your muscles for hours. This is especially helpful during sleep when muscle repair happens. It's easy to digest, doesn't cause bloating, and helps your body rebuild muscle tissue. Plus, it's full of leucine, an amino acid that promotes muscle recovery even after light activity. You'll also find calcium and phosphorus, which helps strengthen bones, providing a solid base for your muscles. When should you eat cottage cheese? Try it in the evening so your muscles can receive protein overnight. It's also great after a walk or some light stretching or when you're feeling fatigued, but don't want something too heavy. The ideal serving is about 100 to 150 grams, 1 to 2 times a day. 2. Flax seeds. The muscle nourisher flax seeds aren't just for your digestive system. They are one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for muscle recovery. Omega-3 reduce inflammation and promote healing, especially as we age and our recovery slows down. They also help balance hormones, which is particularly important for women post-menopause. Flax seeds improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your muscles can absorb more protein and energy, making your body more efficient. Plus, they're packed with fiber, magnesium, and calcium, all of which support muscle function, bone health, and recovery. The best way to enjoy flax seeds is in ground form, as whole seeds can be hard to digest. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. A teaspoon or 2 per day is all you need. 3. Blueberries. The antioxidant Powerhouse blueberries aren't just tasty, they're packed with antioxidants, like anthocyanins and polyphenols, which protect your muscles from oxidative stress and help reduce inflammation. As we age, oxidative stress damages muscle tissue and slows down recovery, but blueberries can help combat that by preserving muscle structure and boosting recovery. But it doesn't stop there. Blueberries also support your brain and nervous system, improving coordination, reaction time, and overall movement. This makes them a great choice if you're looking to enhance muscle strength and maintain balance. Enjoy fresh or frozen blueberries, and aim for about 1/2 to 1 cup a day. Add them to your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or salads for an extra nutritional boost. 4. Walnuts. The brain and muscle builder. Walnuts aren't just a snack, they're a powerful food for supporting muscles, hormones, and brain function. As we age, the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone slows down, which makes it harder for muscles to respond to protein. Walnuts help create a more anabolic environment in your body, making your muscles more responsive to nutrients. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to muscles, and protect your cells from oxidative damage. They also support brain function and mental clarity, which is crucial for balance and coordination. A handful of walnuts a day is the perfect serving. Enjoy them on their own, or add them to oatmeal, salads, or smoothies. Just be sure to avoid fried or sweetened walnuts, as these can reduce their nutritional benefits. 5. Quinoa. The complete plant-based protein quinoa isn't just a trendy grain, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent source of protein for muscle recovery, especially if you're cutting back on meat or have trouble digesting it. Quinoa also contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, which help support muscle contraction, bone strength, and overall circulation. Plus, it's easy to digest, providing steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes or crashes. Try quinoa as a side dish, in salads, or as a base for soups and casseroles. About 1/2 cup per meal is a great serving size. Final thoughts. It may seem like these foods are simple, but sometimes the best solutions are the most basic. Cottage cheese, flax seeds, blueberries, walnuts, and quinoa all provide essential nutrients to help support muscle strength, recovery, and overall health, especially as we age. Try incorporating at least one of them into your daily routine, and in just a week, you'll likely feel a noticeable difference in your body's response. Muscle loss doesn't happen overnight, but with the right foods, you can gradually rebuild strength and restore your confidence. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments which foods you've already tried. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health, longevity, and well-being. Stay healthy. Stay strong.